Let's comply.
Still looking for a new idea for running your business?
Let's Comply has helped various startups reach at the pinnacle of their businesses. Do you know what makes Let's Comply such a unique technology-driven platform in India to help startups? Innovative process of delivering legal, finance and tax services. Mentoring at every stage of your businesses, that is startup, growth, acceleration, and progressive stage. 24/7 availability throughout 365 days of year. Services at affordable cost. Experienced team of professionals in all domains of legal, finance and tax. Security and transparency is guaranteed while delivering services. For more info, visit us at www.letscomply.com or contract us here.